Alam mo minsan some of your coworkers and friends secretly hate you. Kung naalala mo pa yung video ni David Gison not so long ago about pay attention to those who don't clap when you win. I watched it before pero ngayon talaga masasabi ko na napaka-relevant niya sa atin. Because a few days ago, meron kaming napaka-laking win. You know, one of the milestones in our lives. Hindi ko nababanggitin ko ano, but you know, it was something really very big. And when I shared it to everyone, nagulat ako kasi yung mga tao na alam kong super close ko, yung mga tipo na pinagsabihan mo ng mga sikreto mo, yung talagang kasama mo for how many years at kilalang-kilala ka, for some reason, deadma. I don't know. Pero if it was something that big, ang ine-expect ko kasi parang, hindi ko naman ine-expect ko na, you know, i-celebrate nila ako or what. Pero it's just that nakakagulat kasi, as in talagang no reaction. Nakakagulat lang kasi these are the people that you really trusted, na talagang sobrang dami mong pinagsamahan. Pero alam mo nakakagulat, no? Minsan kasi, every time na nag-share ako ng mga blessings, ng mga inspiration, mayroon talagang tao na alam ko na kahit hindi mo sila ganun ka-close, they genuinely cheer for you. And I feel bad na hindi ako masyadong nagpipay attention sa mga tao na to. But na-realize ko, may mga tao talaga na kahit wala ka masyadong ginagawa para sa kanila, napaka-consistent nila na sila yung masaya para sa'yo, whatever type of wins you have. So if you have this kind of people and you don't feel like you're exerting much effort, you build relationships with these people, spend more time with them, while at the same time paying attention to those who don't clap when you win. Kasi